Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, number 34, NEET Physics paper 2014. Student, let us solve the question, and that is number 34. It is about light with an energy flux. Flux is energy flux. Which is 25 10 to 4 watt per meter square. This is the power that is flowing out per unit area. Okay, that is the energy flowing out per second per unit area is this one. So this much of power is falling on unit area, falls on perfectly reflecting surface. So this energy is actually incident on surface which is perfectly reflecting. Perfect reflector. For a perfect reflector at normal incidence, so it is actually not in this direction, it is vertical downward in normal direction. If the surface area is 15 centimeter square, so this area of the surface is 15 centimeter square, which is 15 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. The average force exerted on the surface is, so because of this energy incident on this area, how much force that energy impacts to the surface. So basically it is about the pressure radiation. The pressure of this radiation is, we know that the formula for pressure radiation for perfect reflector is P equals to, that pressure is equal to 2I divided by C. This is the formula for perfect reflector. So this formula we use to get the answer. Pressure is 2 times I over C. What is pressure? Pressure is force acting on the surface per unit area equals to 2 I over C. So the force is 2 I over C. 2A is 15 10 raised to minus 4, area of the surface 15 10 raised to minus 4, and I over C. That I we got as already we have this I, it is given as 25 10 raised to 4. This one is the I. Okay, this is the I. Flux is the I divided by C, the speed of light. The speed of light, this is the speed of light, which is 3 power 10 to the power 8. Now we have to solve this to get before we go to the options. So otherwise you can see the options, you have to keep this in 10 to the minus 6 form. You just always have a look at the options before the final answer you are going to do. Otherwise you may end up doing more calculations or less calculations. So you will have an idea that okay, this have to keep in 10 to the minus 6 order. So ultimately if I want to keep in 10 to the minus 6 order, this and that will cancel. This goes to the top, and because minus 8, so better I'll keep 2 over there. I will take only 6 over there. Then this situation will be 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and 2 zeros are there, because I will take this to up, so it is 10. Okay, then 5 plus 10, 10 and then 7. I will cut this as well. 5 to the 10 and 1 0 goes, so it is 10 to the power 7. The answer is in 10 to the power minus 6, so I will keep 1 10 here and 10 to the minus 6 there. So it will be 25 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is the force. Now it will become much easier. I can see here, you can see that answer is 2.5 10 raised to minus 6, because 25 by 10 is nothing but 2.5 n to the power minus 6 Newton. This way you will be getting the answers. So to this question, the option number 2 is the correct answer to these questions. Okay, thank you.